Will Byrd started making cinnamon rolls because he loves cinnamon rolls. He turned a home-baked hobby into a cinnamon roll empire, and our taste buds couldn't be happier. You'd be remiss to skip out on a visit to Will's Cinnamon Shop. Today, we're meeting up with Kelli Brezonick, and she's going to take us through the super secret process of baking Will's famous cinnamon rolls. Here we go.
FeastMode!
Welcome to Will's Cinnamon Shop, located on the corner of Central and Olive in Hot Springs National Park. We start with the wet ingredients. The baker comes in at 3 a.m. and heats up all of the wet ingredients. Then he mixes them, cuts them into 7 different doughs, and those doughs will each make a dozen rolls. Once he rolls those out, he puts butter, cinnamon, and sugar on them. And then he rolls them up, cuts them, and puts them back in the proofer. After that, he puts them in the oven, and it takes about 4 hours roughly from start to finish, but that's how we get those nice big cinnamon rolls. So we have at least 5 different icings to choose from every day. We have a regular sugar glaze, we have cream cheese, maple with coffee, lemon, and orange. So customers get to come in and customize rolls how they'd like. They tell us how many rolls they want, what kind of icing. They can add on bacon, pecans, caramel, chocolate. We have people that add on multiple different icings, multiple different toppings, and they can basically just pick their own breakfast every morning. So customize it how they want.